Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Resemble AI login issues, API and account errors step by step clearly. To resolve Resemble AI login issues, start by ensuring a stable internet connection. Check if your network is functioning properly. Open the Resemble AI website or application. Enter your login credentials carefully. Ensure that your username and password are accurate. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. If you are still unable to log in, verify that your account is active. Contact Resemble AI support if you suspect your account might be suspended or inactive. For API-related errors, ensure your API keys are entered correctly. Check the API documentation for any updates or changes in the endpoint requirements. Make sure your API usage limits are not exceeded for your account type. If the API service is returning a specific error message, refer to the error code descriptions in the documentation. Revoke and regenerate your API keys to eliminate issues with corrupted keys. Try making a simple API request to verify that your keys are functional. If problems persist, consider testing your API calls in a different environment or tool. Ensure all necessary permissions are granted for the API access. Double-check your integration setup for any missing components or incorrect configurations. Stay updated with Resemble AI's announcement channels for any service outages affecting login or API functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve any login or API errors with Resemble AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.